Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Fatma. This is my channel Fatma Boffin 360. So student, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and comments below. Let's start now. Move toward what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine used to solve different problems according to a set of instructions given to it. A computer can accept data, process data into useful information, and store it for later use. The word computer is derived from compute, that means to calculate. Computer can be used as a calculating machine to produce result at a very high speed. However, the calculation is not the only use of computer. It can use for different purposes. People use computer to solve different problems quickly and easily. It has changed the way of life. A computer is a machine that manipulates data according to a list of instructions. A computer is a device capable of performing computation and making logical decisions at speed millions and even billions of times faster than human being can. Computer is an electronic machine which is used for data processing. The output which comes after processing data through computer is known as information. As we see that this diagram, system unit, mass storage devices, output devices and input devices. It performs four primary operations are now we can see that it performs four primary operations are. First is the first step of the information processing cycle is input. The computer accepts data. In this step, data consists of raw, fact and figure. Data is entered into the computer for processing. It is entered using different input devices such as a keyboard or mouse. Input basically entering data into the computer. The second is processing. The second step, processing of the information processing cycle, is processing. It converts data into the information. Information is an organized and processed form of data. The central processing unit processes data into information. Random access memory RAM temporarily store programs and data required by the CPU. Processing performs operation on the data. The third is output. Output, the third step of the information processing cycle, is its output. The results are provided to the user in this step. It is performed using different output devices such as monitor and printer. Presenting the result. Output basically, the fourth is storage. The fourth step information processing cycle is storage. It stores data, information and program used by the computer system. It is performed different storage like hard disk, drive, CD, DVD and USB flash memory. You can see that input devices, storage devices include as hard drive, flash memory, okay? And input keyboard, mouse, processing is chip, output like printer, screen. Now we will move the next PPT. What is data? A collection of raw facts and figures is called data. The word raw means that the facts have been processed to get their exact meaning. Data is given to the computer for processing. Data is collecting from different sources. It is collected for different purposes. Data may consist of number, characters, symbols or picture, etc. Now we will move the example different organization contract surveys to know the opinion of the people about their product. In these surveys, people express their ideas and opinion about different issues. These ideas or opinion of the people are stored as data. The organization use this data for the improvement of their product. The next example is I am discussing government collect the data of all citizens of the computer during the census. These data stored permanently and he is used for different purpose at different times. As we see that the third example, student fill an admission form when they get in college. The form consists of raw facts about the student. These raw facts are student name, father name, address, etc. The purpose of the collecting this data is to maintain the record of the student during their study period in the college. I hope that you understand what is data. Now we will move the next PPT. What is information? Information basically the define is the processed data is called information. Information is an organized and processed form of data. It is more meaningful than data and is used to making decision. Data used as input for processing information is an input of this processing. This information can be used again in some other processing and will be considered as data is that processing. Now, for example, the marks of the student in different subject in data. This data is used to calculate the total marks, which is the information. The total marks can be processed again to calculate average marks of the student. In this processing, total marks is used as data, and average marks in is the information. And other example, uh, let the data stored in census is used to generate different type of information. For example, government can use it to find the total number of graduates and literacy rate in the country, etc. The information is obtained by processing the data. Government can be used the information in important decision to improve literacy rate. I hope you can well understand what is information and also example. I will discuss. I was discussing the example of information. Now the next is characteristics of computer. Nowadays, computer is playing a main role in everyday life. It has become the need of people just like television, telephone, or other electronic device at home. It solves the human problems very quickly as well as accurately. The important characteristics of the computer are described below. There are many characteristics are forming like readability, reliability, accuracy, storage, consistency, communication, recalling, control sequence, cost reduction. Now I'm discussing what is accuracy. Accuracy means that a computer provides result without any errors. Computer can process large amount of data and produce result accurately. The result can be wrong only if the data given the computer is not correct. Suppose the average marks of the class are required. There can be chance of mistake in the result if it is performed by human being. However, computer can be produce this result very accurately and quickly. The second one is recalling. Recalling, our computer can recall the store of data and information as when required. The data stored in the computer can be used at a later time. The computer can recall the required data in a few seconds. Storage. What is storage? Storage, a computer can store a large amount of data permanently. People can use this data at any time. The user can store any type of data in a computer. The storage capacity of computer is increasing rapidly. A computer can store thousands of books easily. The fourth one is control sequence. Control sequence, a computer works strictly according to the given instruction. It follows the same sequence of execution that is given in a problem. The fifth one is consistency. A computer works in a consistent way. It does not lose concentration due to the heavy work. It does not become tired or bored. Computer perform all job with equal intention. Sixth one is communication. Communication, most computers today have the capability of communicating with other computers. We can connect to and more computers by a communications device such as modem. These computers can share data, instruction, and information. The connected computers are called network. We can communicate with other people in the world using network like internet. The sound one is cost reduction. We can perform a different task in less time and less cost. For example, we may have to hire many people to handle an office. This some work can be performed by a single person with the help of computer. It reduces the cost. So student, I hope that you are get the information what is a computer. The second one is operating like input, output, storage, processing. The third one is what is a data. Fourth, information, what is information. And last one, I am describe the characteristic of computer. So I hope that you understand all my information I am giving to you. So student, please subscribe my channel and like my channel, comments below down.